Go.
Hi, my name is Nandi and I'm in my third year here at Colorado Kids. It's a really great program because you get to do a lot of reviews and read a lot more because you're offered a lot of book review opportunities. In addition to that, you also get to watch movies before they're open to the rest of the public. You can go to events like museum exhibits or zoos, and you can get really up close with all of the stuff there and talk to the people who work there as well. You also get to write your own stories, so that's very nice for if you want people to see things that they might not have known that are happening around Colorado or just around the state, or just things that you found interesting and you thought might be nice to share with other people. We also meet in person, so that's very nice if you want to make friends with other CK reporters. And yeah, I would definitely recommend this program for anyone who wants to join. It's a lot of fun and it's helped me with my writing skills a lot for the time I've been here. Join now!